Okay, so our supplies will include here one small can of ultra white semi-gloss oil enriched enamel for repainting our trim. And this is the Dynaflex. It's a 230 series. It's in white, and we'll be using that to seal around the edges and the mating surfaces. And we're going to be using 2-inch finish nails to reapply the trim to the framing through the sheetrock and get at least 3/4 of an inch attachment. And we'll be using a wood filler for our nail holes and any areas that needed to be repaired by the termites. It's an excellent product and it's easy to use. And then the last item is a paintbrush, which is a throwaway, or it can be rinsed and reused. So let's get started.